Hello everyone, this is my review of the JDMC-AR Center Console Organizer. It's designed specifically for the Tacoma, so it drops right into the console without any gaps. That made installation simple, and it instantly looks like it belongs there, not like an aftermarket add-on. Now everything has its own little spot, coins, pens, cards, USB drives, and it all stays neat, even when I drive on bumpy roads. The plastic feels solid. It's ABS plastic, so it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. It holds up well to daily use and doesn't flex when I'm pulling items in and out. I've also noticed that it makes accessing things easier. I don't have to dig through a deep, empty bin anymore. I can find what I need faster, which reduces distractions while driving. Because it fills the space, it slightly reduces the total interior foot volume if you like to store larger items under the console. So if you carry bulky gear, you might need to remove it temporarily. Overall, if you want a cleaner, more organized center console for your Tacoma, something that keeps small items tidy and easy to find, this organizer is a solid choice. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.